Hello guys, today video is about the unboxing of Zenfone 6. You see the box of Zenfone 6 and here we open the box. This is our device Zenfone 6 and here is accessories which comes with Zenfone 6 and in the first here is our guide manual. So this is cover of Zenfone 6. This is your device. See back. Here we on the device. You can see this is fast touch. So here one official video of Zenfone 6 is in the device. Here is camera, which is the main specification of Zenfone 6. Flip camera. You can see. So this is Zenfone 6 unboxing video. Please subscribe my channel.